going on, guys? Steve here with Shock Therapy, and today we had a Pro R4 Ultimate come into the shop. He got a dual rate spring kit, he got valving, he got our lower forks, he got our spring retainers, he got our limit straps, he got our toe link support kit, our radius rods, and he also got our front and rear links. If you guys like what you just saw, please visit our website, www.shocktherapyusa.com, or if you have any questions, call in at 623-217-4959. I'm talking, but am I saying anything? That's the question. Quiet on the set, quiet on the set. Love the clap in my face. Can you see my nipples though? No. Titties up. No nipple having ass bitch. Oh, I got titties, bruh. I got dad tits. Call them dits. Thank you, John. I was about to say that. Check out this Shock Therapy equipped. What a chotch. Hello. Okay, sorry. Quit fucking around, Josh.